Could be higher day here. I want to be patient. See what we get and get back down into the 200s. Get back down into the 200s. That'd be a good short there. I got out there, guys. I shorted there at my level. I had this level at 21,277 on the 15 minute. See multiple touches of resistance there. 5 minute as well. You have touches of resistance here in this channel. So I wanted to short there and get a move back down to the 200s. Kind of, I don't know if I have a feeling I sold that a bit early, but right off the open, I don't want to take any rush, any setup. So now we're gonna move into the 200s and probably sell from there. So yeah, guys, that's my trade for today. My entry was kind of gotta didn't get the best entry, but didn't get the best entry, but made about almost 5,000 between 5 accounts. So my first day on these XFA, so it's a pretty good trade. See what other setups you can have. I'm gonna size down for the rest of the day if I do take anything. So yeah, guys, looks like I'm done for today. Took it's a 5 minute work day off the market open. I can go over that trade with you guys one more time. This is on NQ. So you can see the 5 minute has this channel of resistance here, as well as the 15 minute has this channel of resistance here. As we broke this structure in the pre-market session, we got below this 21,277 and consolidated for 30 minutes. It seems like we broke down through 20,000 and we got bought back up. This opening candle, this 5 minute opening candle, it's actually 15 minute. 5 minute opening candle, we can see a strong move to the upside, about a 100 point candle to the upside. I took a short on my practice account, but let's not, that was just to test the waters. On my main XFA accounts, I shorted up here. I got my entries was the 55s. Kind of was I wouldn't say a bad entry because I did want to get in at 77, 21,277, but the market is moving pretty fast, so can't always get exact entries. You just gotta try to do your best. So as I seen the market coming up after this strong move, my bias is more so on the short side just because the overnight session proved that sellers were in control. And yeah, you can say that the buyers were in control the first 5 minutes of the candle, but I'm looking for exhaustion. Where do buyers actually get trapped at? Where do sellers take over at? At this level, you can see at this level, but I'm also looking at bookmap to confirm my entry to make sure that a seller does come in and step in and defend the price here at which I would call this a resistance zone. Sellers did come in and defend it. We tried to test and get above 77s. Let's call it 80s, and the sellers were successful in defending it, and the buyers failed to get that above. So I was just looking for a quick scalp there off the open. I don't really trade within the first 15 minutes of New York Open just because of the volatility. I like to give myself time to understand what's going on in the market. But this play was I wouldn't say easy to spot, but I have some experience here in the market, so I can tell, have a good feeling on what's going to go on. If I have confirmations with different time frames, this being the 5 minute having the resistance here, this being the 15 minute having resistance here, you can even go up to the 30 and see that this level is a resistance level in the market, which is a pivot. Now, if we get above this, market could move another 100 points. So I'm not going to touch that short again. Just going to remain patient and see if the buyers want to repair this overnight session inventory to the downside, which is a lot of inventory because we sold off almost 400 points. So let's just see what the buyers want to do. If I do take another trade, I'll update you guys. But for the most part, thank you for tuning in.